नमस्कार, प्रुडंट मिडियाच्या खबराचित्रांत तुमकां येवकार। आता पळोवया आयच्यो मुखेल खबरो। 67 मलेरिया कामगार सेवेंत कायम। मीन व्हांवोवपी बार्जींचेर कर। महामार्गाकडे आशिल्लो प्लास्टीक कोयर उखलपाक 20 मे सावन मोहीम। मे सोंपता म्हणल्यार मायनिंग धोरण। मुख्यमंत्र्यांचो घोशणा। सरकार करतलो जीसीएच्या कारभाराची चौकशी। दोगा जाणांची नेमली चौकशी समिती। चेतन देसाय आनी सुनील लावणी 16 मे मेरेन दितले अहवाल। जीसीए विशीं क्लबांच्यो कागाळी आयिल्ल्यान चौकशी। मायनिंग स्कॅमां, चुकीच्या लोकांक तिकेटी आनी बशिलेबाजीक लागून गोंय विधानसभा वेंचणुकेंत काँग्रेसीन खालो मार। ए.के. अँथनी समितीन हायकमांडाक दिलो अहवाल। संगीतकार अँथनी गोन्साल्वीस, व्यंगचित्रकार मारियो मिरांडा आनी भजनी कलाकार नाना शिरगांवकाराच्या नांवान गोंय विद्यापीठान अध्यासन स्थापन। मुख्यमंत्री म्हणटा गोंय कलाकारांची खण कशी हाचेर जावंक जाय संशोधन। आनी गोंय क्रिकेट कोचिंगाचो संचालक म्हण 1983 चे वर्ल्ड कप गाजोवपी बलविंदर सिंग सिद्धूची नेमणूक। दयानंद नार्वेकार म्हणटा संधूच्या नेमणुकीक लागून गोंयकार क्रिकेटर दिसतले राष्ट्रीय पांवड्यार। आता खबरो विस्तारान। 67 मलेरिया कामगारांक सेवेन नियमित करपाचो निर्णय पर्रीकार सरकारान घेतला। मीन व्हांवोवपी बार्जीचेर कराच्या अध्यादेशाक सरकारान मान्यताय दिल्या। विधानसभेचे पावसाळी अधिवेशन चड करून 9 जुलय सावन सुरू जातले। ते 21 दीस चलतले। महामार्गाकडे आशिल्लो प्लास्टीक कोयर उखलपाची मोहीम 20 माया सावन गोंयभर सुरू जातली। मे सोंपता म्हणल्यार मायनिंग धोरणाचो मसुदो सरकार हरकती खातीर जाहीर करतले। बुधवारा मंत्रिमंडळाचे बसके उपरांत मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारान मिडियाक ही माहिती दिली।
So cabinet has decided to regularize them from 2nd May. Order for that purpose is controlled by code. Therefore, orders will be issued only after the code is executed. Now, I clear karta. These are two separate actions. My decision to take decision as promised by 30th April. I have taken the decision. Implementation will be after the another decision was regarding Goa Barge tax as per budget. The bargeचो taxaचो ordinance काडपाक approval cabinetan दिल्ल्या. Less than 1,000 ton 100 rupees, more than 1,000 ton 200 rupees per ton. May end पर्यंत governmentaची policy ready येतली. Obviously, since June, July, August is not a very heavy mining activities, we can throw it open for public suggestion for 30 days. I can't do it beyond that. After 30 days, we will take suggestions which are good and formulate it before the next season. That is the target. आम्ही कोर्टाकडे 6 महिने मागला हे सगळे जाग्यार घालपाक. The spongy city garbage is being treated, particularly plastic waste, which is on the roadside. That solution is almost in the sight. We are deploying the same technique for garbage. Initially, possibly targeted date is around 20th May. We will start picking up garbage along the national highways. Plastic, recyclable, paper, all these garbage will be collected through Goa State Infrastructure Development Corporation using labor provided by PWD. And another aspect of it is mud, which is or debris which is dumped, will be picked up or leveled. And we are in the process of identifying place of dumping for this debris. The moment we give a site to dump, then the law will be strictly enforced. त्यावेळा मागीर आनी कोणाक काकूट बिकूट दाखोवचो ना, त्यावेळा ते बरी पडटली. By September, I don't think you will find garbage on beach anywhere. We are going in for a comprehensive program on setup for treating mixed garbage also. That may take 1 year to set. This government does not have policy of giving marina there. We may have policy of marina, but the right place has to be selected, not Sakwar.
सरकार GCAच्या अर्थीक आनी प्रशासकीय कारभाराची चौकशी करतलो. ह्या खातीर 2 जाणांची समिती नेमल्या. आदलो सचिव चेतन देसाय आनी निवृत्त अकावंटंट सुनील लावणीस ह्या 2 जाणांची समिती 16 मे मेरेन सरकाराक अहवाल दितली. दयानंद नार्वेकाराच्या अध्यक्षतेखाला चलतल्या GCAच्या कारभाराविशीं क्लबांच्यो कागाळी आयिल्ल्यान सरकारान हो निर्णय घेतला. नार्वेकार म्हणटा, अजून चौकशेविशीं कसलीच नोटीस येवंक ना.
There is a financial fraud, there is administrative fraud, cricketing fraud, सगळे आमचे म्हणजे बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉड सगळी. There are lots of frauds going on in Goa Cricket Association, which is headed by Mr. Narvekar since 1998. And now for last around 1.5 महिन्या फाटीं 3 clubs have applied to the register that there are frauds. म्हणजे एका क्लबान सांगितले की आपल्याक भायर मारलो. They are the runners up last years. एका वर्सा पयलींचे runners up in Division C. This year he is thrown out of the club because he is not giving him proxy. Next, financial frauds. सगळे ते पयलीं फाटीं हांव सांगता सगळे financial fraud. And third one had applied that there are a lot of frauds in the constructions of that Parvari Academy, which is the grounds of Banla. It's totally encroachment is there and a lot of other things. Recently, I think the newspaper on the RTI, the activist had also no permission, not a single permission is taken off the ground. The Inspector General has written to the government that I think there is a time to investigate this matter. And under Section 20A, which is amended 1860, so हांवें तुमकां दाखयलो गॅझेट आहा ताज्या प्रमाणे तांकां रायट आहा टू इन्वेस्टिगेट. इट इज जस्ट इन्वेस्टिगेटींग टीम आनी तातूंत 2 जाण आहा. एकटो फायनान्शियल फ्रॉड पळोवपाक मिस्टर अनिल लावंडीस, हू इज अ रिटायर्ड जॉयंट डायरेक्टर ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा. And one, they wanted somebody from the cricketing who experience, who will know exactly what is happening inside. Financial frauds are to the tune of, I have a roughly estimate केला around 30 to 50 crores of fraud आहा भितर for last 10 years. कित्याक money is coming from IPL for last 3-4 years. पैसो भरपूर येत आसा. Nobody knows where the money is going. 5 कोटी ताणें बॉम्बे ट्रान्सफर केल्या. Why to keep money in a Bombay bank? I don't know. When there are so many banks here.
That letter was not accepted by secretary. And now when I came to show him the copy that I have, he has said that I don't want to read it, and he has disappeared. Obviously, it will be served again in a very proper manner, and then we will see what we can do. Inquiry काय करूकूच दिना न्हय, ते गेले सगळे. आतां तुमी पळयलें न्हय बशिल्ले ते ट्रेजरर आनी सेक्रेटरी कोण दिसता ते गेले.
I wish I should get that notice first, and then we can see what exactly it contains. I don't want to react offhand. Now, if somebody in their imagination wants to talk about it, I cannot reply to them. When we get the proper letter only, we will be able to tell what is our say.
काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या एंथनी समितीन दिल्ल्या अहवालाप्रमाण गोंयची मायनिंग स्कॅमां, चुकीच्या लोकांक तिकेटी वाटप आनी वशिलेबाजीक लागून गोंयान विधानसभा वेंचणुकेन काँग्रेसीन मार खालो. A.K. एंथनीच्या समितीन 4 राज्यांच्या विधानसभा वेंचणुकांच्या निकालांचेर हायकमांडाक मंगळारा पयलो अहवाल दिलो. काँग्रेसीन मार कित्याक खालो हाची कारणां सोदपाची जबाबदारी हे समितीचेर दिल्ली.
सोनिया गांधीन रक्षा मंत्री आनी काँग्रेसीचे ज्येष्ठ फुडारी A.K. एंथनीच्या फुडारपणाखाला एक समिती नेमिल्ली. गोंया सयत उत्तर प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड आनी पंजाबात काँग्रेसीन वेंचणुकेंत मार कित्याक खाल्लो हाचो अभ्यास करपाची जबाबदारी हे समितीचेर दिल्ली. हे समितीन गोंयच्यान प्रदेश अध्यक्ष सुभाष शिरोडकार, वावुरपी अध्यक्ष फ्रांसीस सार्दिन, आदलो मुख्यमंत्री दिगंबर कामत आनी विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी प्रतापसिंग राणेक दिल्ली आपोवन व्हेल्ले. एंथनी समिती म्हणटा, मायनिंग स्कॅमां, चुकीच्या लोकांक तिकेटी आनी वशिलेबाजीक लागून गोंयांत काँग्रेसीन मार खालो. गोंय काँग्रेसीचो प्रभारी जगमीत सिंग ब्रारानय ही गजाल मान्य केली.
Absolutely right, whatever Anthony ji has said. Yeah. Anthony ji happens to be party's senior most leader, and I think I'm not aware of the contents of the report. As you have heard, I have heard. Yeah. But whatever has been commented, I think it's absolutely in order, whatever he has said. Okay. So now that has to be decided by the Honorable Congress President. Okay. You know, okay. What action has to be taken, and I think due consultation will be held with the General Secretary, and then she will decide. Both the reports of all the states have been submitted, so let's see what other contents they will come out with today.
उत्तर प्रदेशाचे बाबतीत समितीन काँग्रेसीचो राष्ट्रीय सरचिटणीस राहुल गांधीचेर कसलोच आरोप दवरिल्लो ना. थंय चुकीच्या उमेदवाराक तिकेटी आणि प्रदेश फुडारपणाविशीं कोपुसावाक लागून काँग्रेसीन मार खाल्लो अशें समितीन म्हणलां. काँग्रेसीचेर जाल्ले भ्रष्टाचाराचे आरोप प्रभावीपणान खोडून काडप काँग्रेस फुडाऱ्यांक जमले ना अशें समितीन म्हणलां. हे फाटभुंयेर काँग्रेसींत प्रदेश पावंड्यार फुडारपणांत आनी प्रदेश समित्यांनी मोठ्या प्रमाणात बदल जावपाची शक्यताय काँग्रेसांतल्या सुत्रांनी उक्तायल्या. पक्षाचे नवे स्ट्रॅटर्जीची कुठ्ठाळी ही पहिली परीक्षा आसतली. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट मिडिया.
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव.